Today we're gonna pack a chicken and avocado wrap for lunch. So I'll also show you not only how to make it, but all the tips on how to keep it fresh till you eat it. So wraps work best with larger tortillas. This is a burrito-sized tortilla, and with an avocado that's ready to eat. So if your avocado still feels really hard and it's not ready, it's best you don't pack it. I also have some leftover chicken that's not enough for a whole meal, but just enough for a wrap here. So let's make the wrap first. I'm going to use a little bit of mayo at the bottom of my wrap. I'm just going to spread it. And the mayo is just going to help the other ingredients stick to the wrap. It acts a little bit of a glue and keeps it moist. After the mayo, I really like some crunch, so let's add a bit of shredded lettuce. You can use spinach or other green lettuce. And now let's put some chicken over the top right in the middle. Now the chicken is cold, but that's okay. I'm also gonna add a little bit of tomato onto this wrap. You can keep the tomato or skip it. I love juicy tomatoes in my wrap, so I'm just gonna slice a few slices and I'm gonna place them right over the top. This is also a good time to sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper over your tomato, just like you would a salad if you want to make it tastier, but no, it's totally optional. And now our avocado. Now, a lot of people wonder if this avocado will brown by lunch. Well, when we put avocados in a wrap, it does eliminate some of that exposure to the air. It keeps it nicely and tight. So it does slow down the browning process. But also, once it's wrapped up with all the ingredients, you're not gonna see it. Check out how nice and ripe this avocado is. And I just take my knife and I score the sides into lines. And then take a spoon and scoop it right out. And now I have nice avocado slices to put right over my wrap. And yes, I'm totally gonna teach you how to fold this and keep it nice and tight, but let me first grab my lunchbox and also send a couple of sides because a wrap is not always enough. So I've got some baby carrots, and I'm also going to grab some strawberries and put them on the other side. Now that I've got my sides in the lunchbox and my wrap is ready, I'm going to fold in the sides and then grab the back side, fold it over, tuck it underneath real tight, and roll it up. One quick tip is that if you're making this wrap the night before, don't slice it just yet. Take the wrap, put it on a plate, and cover it. In the morning, you take the wrap out of the fridge, then slice it and place it in the lunchbox. You can, of course, pack this the night before. If your wrap fits in the lunchbox without cutting, place it in there, put on the lid, and then take the entire lunch in the fridge and keep it overnight. In the morning, take the lunch out, take the wrap out of the lunchbox, slice it in half, pack it back in, and put the lid on. In the lunchbox it goes with an ice pack and any other snacks you want. Close it up, and this lunch is ready. If easy and healthy school lunches are your thing, hit that red subscribe button. I share a couple of videos with lots of tips every single week. See you next time.